guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So you might be wondering, what is Klein that is in this box? Well, today I'm going to show you, and you've probably never seen it before, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so by the title of this video, you probably already know what this is, but for those who don't and did not read the title of this video and are just watching this video and clicking on it, I appreciate that. But let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you what's inside. So I am going to open this up, or I mean unwrap this, which is very heartbreaking as a Klein Tools collector, because I want to use this actually, but I also don't want to open it. But here it is. Hold on, let me flip it over. It is Klein. It is Klein Tools Monopoly, brand new in the package. So after tax, this was like $94, $95. Literally brand new, never been opened. Very cool box. I would love to just throw this on the tool wall or something, but I do want to play it as well. And if you play it, then I'm pretty sure you really can't hang it on the wall because everything's just going to fall out unless you tape it together or something like that. But anyways, this is the front of the box. Very cool Kleinopoly. Try not to get the glare there for you guys. And then on the back, this is what the back looks like. Another without the glare. So anyways, this is what this looks like. You even have the freaking barcode scanner right there, which is cool, little touch. But anyways, I am going to open this. I don't want to. Maybe one day I'll get another one if I really want to. But for now, I really just want to open it and show you guys what's inside, and I do want to play it eventually. So as much as I don't want to do this, I'm just going to do it before I change my mind. So let's get the knife back out real quick. Try not to cut it too bad. Let me see what I can do here. Try not to scratch it too bad. Okay, I got it. Alright, so let's just open this plastic. What I am most curious about is the pieces, the moving pieces that you get to pick, you know? Like there's usually like a dog and a shoe and stuff like that. But I want to see, I think I've only seen a couple things, so I don't know too much about it. There it is. You have just empty cardboard on this side. So let's go ahead and take the board out. That's very cool. Ooh, crispy. That, you hear that crispy crunch? So here is kind of the rules right here. I'm not going to bore you with that, but if you want to pause the video and read it, then go ahead and do that. So now, and then moving on, here is the board right here. So this is how I've always played it with the payday in the left. Probably not going to be able to see all this, but anyways, you got pliers, building permit, inspection, insulated tools, Mansfield, Texas, manufacturing headquarters, screwdrivers, all this stuff, utility, wire strippers, more manufacturing. So you got like tool belts, inspection. Honestly, I haven't played Monopoly in a really long time, so I forget what the normal one even looks like and the rules of the game. But anyways, you got like a handful of places that build the tools, and then you have your sets, your 3 sets, obviously, with your 3 yellows, 3 blues, 3 blacks, all that good stuff. So you just got a bunch of random kind of tools around here. Your inspections are like your fees and stuff like that. So looks like there's 3 of those on the board. Yeah, just a bunch of random hand tools. Very cool. Unemployment, vacation time, and then over here it says go to unemployment office. That's funny. All right, so once we are done looking at that real quick, oops, that's about to fall. So you kind of have the kind of history here if you want to pause and read that. There's the guy Matthias Klein. I don't know how to pronounce his name actually, that's sad. Matthias Klein, Matthias? Okay, moving on. You got all your dollars over here, your Klein bucks right here. So you got your, obviously your different colors. You got 500, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, and 1. And they're all with his face on it. right there. Very cool. And then right here you have your houses or motels, yellow and kind of charcoalish gray. Got the cards right here, so I can open those here in a second. I don't think there's anything under there. It's just air. But let's get to the most exciting part probably, is the pieces. Ooh, very cool. Okay, so we got a hammer. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got the hammer right here. A baby hammer. And then we got a pair of pliers. It looks like diagonal cutters or linemen's. Very hard to tell. It kind of looks like linemen's right there. Then you got a hard hat. Okay. Typical to drop a hard hat. And then you have a work boot. Very cool. You have a wrench right there. Then you have a Klein Tools logo. I'm not sure what you would call that. So those are your 6 pieces right there, your dice. And then let's open up the cards real quick. Sorry. All right, so the cards right here, let's open that one more time. I think I got it. Very cool. All right, so illumination, pliers, insulated tools. So all the backs are just kind of empty. Inspection, so these are like your fees and stuff like that. Inspection fees. There is a lot of inspections, holy. Job site box. I literally haven't played Monopoly for like 20 years, so I don't even remember the rules really. Okay, so there's all those cards, and then you kind of have your pieces on the board, your different colored spaces, screwdrivers, utility. So you're trying to collect these and stuff. So pretty much just all the things that are on the board and the prices for rent, stuff like that. So yeah, then you have your information down here. So each card is just a little bit different. Each set's pretty much similar. Anyways, very, very cool. Not going to bore you with everything, but let me know what you guys think. And if you guys have one. Oh, there's also some more information on the back. So if you want to pause that here or on the back, I'll flip it over and you can look at that as well. But yeah, very cool. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Let me know what you guys thought of the Kleinopoly. Let me know in the description if you've ever seen one before, if you would play this game, anything like that. I'm super excited. I can't wait to play it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it, and it'd help out the channel. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Love you guys. Peace.